Wow, you won't believe this is just vegetables. Delicious, easy vegetable soup, Jamaican style. This one is perfect for the Lent season, for vegetarian and even vegan. So if you want to see how I achieve this beautiful, yummy bowl of soup, just keep on watching. And also welcome to all my returning supporters. I appreciate you guys a lot. And for those of you coming for the first time, welcome. Please stay tuned by tapping the subscribe button and hitting the notification bell. Let's go to the kitchen now. Here is a quick run through of the veggies. We have celery, carrot, pumpkin. I'm using chocho, Irish potato, onion, garlic, and bell pepper. And we're just going to peel all our veggies that's supposed to be peeled, wash well, cut in chunks, and add to our pot when the water comes to a boil. I already add my water for boiling, so I'll come back when there's another step to be explained. But in the meanwhile, continue watching and enjoy the music. Catch you in a bit, guys. This is our pumpkin texture for our soup. This is a pretty piece of pumpkin. So now I'm just going to add my onion, my okra, and my bell pepper and allow this to boil for a couple of minutes. And then we're going to add our dumpling. For the dumpling dough, it's flour, cornmeal, salt, and water for making the dough. And this is what we're looking at after 5 minutes. So I'm just going to make some spinners and add to my pot. Peel my yam, and I'm going to use some corn. And we have scallion thyme. So just continue watching and I'll come back in a bit. We have some veggie chunks that is totally optional. I already dehydrated and seasoned, and we're going to use some vegetable noodle, and we're going to add all this to the pot now and adjust taste and allow this to simmer, and I'll come back at the end of the video. So just continue watching, and if you're watching to this far and you haven't subscribed as yet, please do so at this moment, and also turn your notification bell for future uploads. So catch you at the end of the video, guys. So here is our vegetable soup, all vegetable, guys, and this tastes so delicious, and this is ready to serve. So if you are a vegetarian, vegan, or just looking for a meatless soup, this vegetable soup is a must try. So here is my bowl of soup. I have a bit of everything inside, and I did enjoy this one. So if you like what you're seeing, please tap the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, like, share, comment. And again, guys, you can also check out my channel membership for first and look of all my videos and even extra perks. So until next time, guys, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye for now.